everyone, it's Charlie and Patrice, and if you are new here, welcome. Today I'll be showing you how I installed this Kinky straight bob, so just keep on watching. This wig is from Luvme Hair. I received their 10-inch 4C edges, ready to wear Kinky straight bob. Here I'm showing you a close-up of the HD lace, and as you can see, it's blending in so well. And here is a close look of the 4C kinky edges. This will help the hairline look so natural. Okay, so let's move on to construction. So this unit is a minimal lace unit. So here I'm showing you all the lace you have in the front and how much lace you have in the deep C part, which make this unit very beginner friendly. This wig is also glueless and very secure. You have 3 combs, an elastic band, and also adjustable straps. So this is how the wig look after I bleached the knots, washed the hair, and then I let it air dry. Now I'm taking my tweezers and I'm thinning out the kinky edges a little bit to my liking, and I'm also cutting them a little shorter. Now I'm taking my flat iron and passing it through a few times in the back. Okay, you guys, so now I'm about to install this unit. You guys seen in the last clips, y'all seen how I prepped the wig and everything. So after I finished flat ironing the back a little, I took some makeup and I added it to the part, like in the inside, like right here, and also along the hairline. You don't have to, but I like to do it. Okay, so now I'm about to cut the lace, and I'm going to use my peeking shears. Like always, is the best thing ever because I used to hate cutting my lace. So if you hate cutting your lace, or you scared, get some of these, honey. You don't have to worry about anything. I have a link down below in the description bar just in case y'all want to pick them up, so you don't have to be scared to cut your lace anymore, period. So all I'm going to do is take my baby hair and push it back, and next I'm just going to take my peeking shears and I'm going to start cutting. I start like a little bit below the hairline. I'm gonna have to show y'all like a close-up next time, but yeah, let me do this right quick. So I'm about to cut the lace. Okay, so yeah, so this is to my liking. And I'm not sure if it's picking up, but yeah. So one thing I love, if you're not into like the lace glue, or if you don't want to wear gels or anything like that, or if you like me and who wear wigs every day and you just want something to, throw on and go, I love their wigs. You have the adjustable strap in the back, and you can adjust it to your liking. You have the combs, and you also have the elastic band. I love when the elastic band is sewn in, like this one. I love that. And I love this because you can adjust it, you can tighten it, you can loosen it. They also have like, like the combs on the side for security, but since I don't have any hair, I really don't use those, but everything else like I use, and I don't have to worry about my wig slipping back or anything like that. Yeah, so let me move on, but I just wanted to mention it. And as you guys can see, the part is on the left side, so take note of that. So now I'm about to apply it, and all I'm doing is just I'm gonna place the elastic band, and then I'm gonna pull it back, and I take the comb and I place it underneath the elastic band. That's how I do it. Okay. Ooh. So I'm gonna push my stocking cap back a little bit because like I don't want this part showing. So kinky straight hair is one of my favorite textures. I definitely need to get a longer length like this. This is so cute, especially when I'm a flat iron a little bit. It's going to look like a blowout, like a little press. These are the edges, and I love them this length. I'm glad I cut them because it looks so realistic. Let me see. Make sure. I like to make sure that the ear tabs is right here, like in front of my ears, from side to side. Right there. Nice and comfy. Perfect. Fit perfect. So I want you guys to pay attention to the hairline. Do you see this? You don't have to worry about doing no baby hair. If you're not good at doing baby hair, you don't even have to worry about it with this wig, okay? The kinky edges look so natural, and I don't have to worry about putting gel, glue, mousse, or anything. And it's not glued down or anything like that. And I'm taking my comb so you guys can see. Look at the lace. As I showed y'all at the beginning, the lace is really good on this unit. It blends in so well. So I'm going for a natural blowout look. So I'm going to flat iron it, kind of like I showed you how I did the back, but I'm not going to do it as much because I still want that volume. You understand what I'm saying? First thing I'm going to do is take my my wax stick, and I'm going to lay it down. And then next I'm taking my hot comb. I'm going to pass it through just a little bit. Now I'm taking my flat iron and going by sections, and I'm passing my flat iron through it and bump it a little bit to the ends to have that look. But I'm not going to do it too many times because like I want that blowout look, you know? Now this hair is so soft, like butter, I swear. So this is how it looked once I finished passing my flat iron through it 1 or 2 times, and this is the look I was going for. I think I want to cut a little bit right here, just trim it, because I really don't like hair in my face, but I like this look. So you can pass the flat iron through how many times you want. It depends on like how much volume you want. Wow, this wig looks so natural. So natural. And baby, you know it's Bob season, okay? So this wig is definitely a must-have. Look at this. You don't have to worry about gel or glue because it's glueless. You don't have to worry about doing your baby hair because you have the kinky edges that looks so realistic. I'm not sure if my camera is doing this wig any justice. This wig right here would definitely be in rotation all summer. Their wigs are so beginner friendly. You don't have to use like lace glue. You don't have to use gel if you don't want to. Elastic band and the adjustable straps and comb, all you need, okay? That's all you need for a glueless install. You see how this bob come like pre-cut already, so you don't have to worry about that. All my wigs that I received from Luvme Hair always bomb. Okay, so I'm gonna stop playing with the hair. All right, this is the final look. So thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. I will have all the information down below in the description bar. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Drop your girl a comment down below. Let me know if you like this wig and if you can see yourself wearing it. Okay, thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.